हेलो एवरीवन। आज वापस आए हैं एक नई बातचीत के साथ, एक नई पंचायत के साथ। आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं वो बहुत स्पेशल हैं। वो एक लीडर हैं, वो एक बिजनेस वुमन हैं, वो एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी है जो फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में लीड कर रही हैं। और आज के एपिसोड से आपको ये ज़रूर जानने को मिलेगा कि क्या फिटनेस में आप कर सकते हैं। इवन इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू ओपन अ जिम, इफ यू प्लानिंग टू ओपन अ स्टूडियो, what else, whatever you want to do, she will definitely give you some insight regarding the fitness industry. Today we have the director of Life Fitness India, Shikha Gupta with us. Welcome to the show, Shikha.
Thank you, Chirag. Very flattered with the with the introduction.
मैं सोच रहा थोड़ा हिंदी में और बोलना चाहिए।
Yeah,
महत्वाकांक्षी महिला और करियर क्या हो गया और कुछ मतलब भारी भारी शब्द मैं सोच रहा था। प्रतिभा की दुकान।
Pratibha ki dukaan. Wow.
That's a good one. You know?
That's a good
So
one.
we have Shikha with us. Shikha runs a multi-crore company. कितना exactly?
We're at about 225 crores now.
225 करोड़ रुपए की कंपनी, ठीक है। तो इसके बाद मेरा बैग रेडी कर देना जिसमें मेरे को पैसे भर के लेके जाने हैं। सो शी रन्स 100 करोड़ प्लस कंपनी। आज पहले बात करेंगे शिखा, यू टेल अस अबाउट योर जर्नी इनटू फिटनेस। आप क्या करते थे, पढ़ाई क्या किया, यहाँ कैसे आ गए, क्या क्या करके पहुंचे यहाँ तक, थोड़ा सा आइडिया।
तो पहले तो मैंने एक्चुअली मास्टर्स इन मार्केटिंग किया हुआ है फ्रॉम द यूके। मेरा जो प्लान पहले था कि अब 1-2 साल यूके में काम करने के लिए एंड स्टफ, बट एक्चुअली दिस बिजनेस वाज स्टार्टेड बाय माय डैड। तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मैं सोच रही थी कि आई शुड वर्क फॉर अ फ्यू इयर्स इन द यूके, गेट सम एक्सपीरियंस, बट ड्यू टू सम अनफॉर्चुनेट थिंग्स हैपनिंग एट होम, मम वाज लाइक कि नहीं, कम बैक, हेल्प डैड, दिस इज अ फैमिली बिजनेस, यू शुड डेफिनेटली बी इन्वॉल्व।
दिस इज व्हाट, which year?
It would be about 2012, 13.
2012,
Yeah,
about,
almost, yeah.
About 12-13 years ago.
Yeah, 12-13 years ago. So I think being the oldest daughter sort of like got pushed into the family business, if I may say so. But yeah, I mean, I've come, and I think it was one of my best decisions that I've made in life.
We agree to it. We agree to it that was the best decision she had made. So this is how you came. I think that time the brand was different. That was something
Yes,
else.
yes.
Now then you got shifted to another brand.
Yeah.
How was that journey? How was that transition?
तो जब शुरू में डैड हैड वर्क टू दैट अनदर ब्रांड फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 20 years, ही वाज
Yes,
वेरी
I
वेरी
remember.
अटैच्ड टू द ब्रांड। इवन वी वर एज अ फैमिली, मतलब बचपन से ही वो ब्रांड का नाम सुनते हुए वी हैव सीन दैट ब्रांड ग्रो इन द कंट्री। तो हम कभी भी अटैच्ड ही थे उस ब्रांड से, बट वी वर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग कि हमारे को फ्यूचर में करना क्या है, हाउ डू वी ग्रो आवर बिजनेस। नाउ सेकेंड जनरेशन हैड कम इन, so looking at those perspectives, हमें लग रहा था कि we have to make a change. We've always had options from bigger brands that wanted to work with us, but because of our personalities of being oversensitive and over loyal, I feel like it was very difficult कि हम ये decision ले। But we got a very good opportunity at Body Power, where Life Fitness was looking for a change, and हम भी change चाह रहे थे at that point of time. So I think two brands then got together. So we owe it to Body Power a lot.
Nick Cotton, if you're listening, my sponsorship number is right here.
Yeah, so it was at Body Power that we had the first meeting with Steve, actually.
Excellent. So I met her father also. I remember we were buying that brand, and the only reason we bought that brand was the kind of gentleman he is. मतलब brand सब secondary था। I said मोहन जी अगर कर रहे हैं तो यही लेना है। So now, what are the challenges that you're facing? अगर आप मतलब थोड़ा सा you start from 2012 to now we're in 2025, वो क्या challenges थे जो आपने तब face किए थे versus जो आज आप face कर रहे हो? क्या है वो जर्नी, कैसी है, how difficult it is, or it has become easier for you ब्रांड चेंज होने के बाद, लोग चेंज होने के बाद, इंडस्ट्री ग्रो करने के बाद? हाउ इज दैट जर्नी, हाउ इज दैट?
तो जब मैं इनिशियली शुरू करी थी, इट वाज वेरी टफ, बिकॉज वन, आई थिंक एवरीवन अज्यूम्स कि जब सेकेंड जनरेशन आ रहा है उनको सिल्वर स्पून में या तुम्हें कोई बिजनेस प्लेटर में मिलता है, एंड आई फील लाइक कि सबका जो पर्सपेक्टिव था मेरे बारे में वो ही था, एंड वो चेंज करना एक्चुअली काफ़ी मुश्किल हो रहा था मेरे लिए विद द टीम, विद द क्लाइंट्स। तो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द बिग चैलेंजेस फॉर मी। सो आई फील लाइक मुझे बहुत if someone had to do X to prove themselves, anyone in the second generation always has to do X plus one. So I think that was definitely difficult for me initially.
What was the most, sorry to interrupt,
No,
what was the
please.
most difficult part? बोला यार ये करना ना, तो ये तो मेरे पाँव कांपने लग जाते हैं, मुझे ये करने को बोल दो.
Firing someone.
नौकरी से निकालना.
I think for me to let go of a teammate is very tough.
Very tough.
And I don't think कि मैं आज तक भी कर सकती हूँ. And I'm very happy that we have a very strong HR team now who does that for me. So I still can't do it. I mean, I've practiced it. I find it very hard to do it.
हम वेट करते हैं लास्ट तक, खुद छोड़ दे भाई, खुद छोड़ दे भाई, प्लीज छोड़ दे.
100%. मैं तब तक वेट करती हूँ. But yeah, that is the most difficult for me. But even in the initial times, I feel like that was very tough for me. But we had to do it.
What is it for, let's say, a 20-something girl walking into our office for a meeting, setting up a deal for a crore rupee? How that scenario looks like? अगर मैं बर्ड व्यू लेके देखता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जज कर रहे होंगे कि यार ये कैसे कर पाएगी, ये दे भी पाएगी कि नहीं हो पाएगा, मेरा डिलीवरी टाइम पे आ पाएगा नहीं आ पाएगा. मतलब ये मेरे साथ होता था बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड द बिजनेस एट 22 when I was 22. तो कभी टी शर्ट पहन के चले जाओ ना तो उनको लगता था मैं बच्चा कहाँ से आ गया, ये क्या करेगा. और मेरा आवाज़ थोड़ा भारी है ना, तो फ़ोन पे ऐसा लगता है कि दैट समबडी इज देयर. और एक बार एक ने मुझसे पूछ लिया, मिस्टर सेठी अभी तक आए नहीं क्या. उस दिन के बाद से आई वाज ऑलवेज वेयरिंग फॉर्मल.
I think, yeah, I mean, people used to prefer कि dad आए meetings पे, but I'm very grateful to my dad in that sense कि he never came. Even from the first sales meeting, he wasn't there. He said, you have to learn. अगर गया तो गया. It doesn't matter. People need to understand कि you're responsible for whatever business you get in. And अगर you don't win it, you don't win it, but you learn. So I think for me, that really helped. I feel like अगर वो मेरे साथ आते तो I would have always leaned on him. So for the fact that from the very first meeting, first sales thing, he never came, it helped. And he also helped because I never took India at that point of time. I did only Chennai, which is a much smaller market. So it really helped because they were known people. It helped me build my confidence ki, you know, I can sell. And then slowly, then I took over Delhi and then only Pan India.
Any
so that
deal that you
transition.
remember? कोई ऐसा होता है ना, एक चीज़ यार जो याद रहेगी, यार ये बहुत फनी थी या बहुत मेमोरेबल थी, कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो मतलब याद रह गई.
I mean, I think for me to go to Bahadurgarh was quite memorable.
No offense to Bahadurgarh.
No offense at all to Bahadurgarh, but it was an experience because I was new, going to a place like that, seeing people's perception on women business because he didn't address me throughout the meeting, which I felt bad about because I was.
ऐसे बात कर रहे थे.
Yeah, he was.
शिखा जी,
No, he
please.
was. वो मेरे से बात ही नहीं कर रहे थे. He was trying to talk to all the other people that were there in the meeting, which then, I mean, it's.
Years and years of operation. देख रहे हो, ऑपरेशन के बाद ये होता है, पेट्रियार्की ऐसे होता है. भैंस पे क्यों बंदी हुई?
नहीं, अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं हुई थी. I mean, I understood that they're not comfortable, so I let it go. But yeah, it hurt me. It hurt me quite a bit at that point and made me understand that there's still so much that is
We'll come to that part. Female in the fitness industry. I've kept it a long segment on that. But so that was one of the moments.
Yeah, and we also got followed, by the way, after the meeting by some two bikers, and so we had to literally go back to his house again. So it was quite memorable, if I say so.
देख रहे हो कितना एडवेंचर था. हम सोच रहे हैं कि सिर्फ बिजनेस हो रहा है, यहाँ पूरी मूवी बन रही है गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर की जगह गैंग्स ऑफ बहादुरगढ़ हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So good, yeah. So that was a memorable.
It was quite memorable.
That is a good
yeah.
thing.
So then we needed to go back, get security, and then get out of Bahadurgarh.
अच्छा, सिक्योरिटी भी थी उसके पास.
Yeah, he was.
क्या बात है.
Yeah.
Agreed. So this was your journey. You were transitioning from a student to an entrepreneur. What are the changes that you have done in the company? Not your father. What's your brain in the company? कि मैंने ये changes किए. जैसे I am a first generation business owner, तो मुझे खुद ही करना पड़ता है. But there are something which is legacy.
Yeah.
But उसके बाद जब आप आए, आपने कहा यार मैं इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक लेके गई. This is something that I have done it. This is something that was the legacy.
I would say brand changing. Changing the brand to Life Fitness was definitely my decision. Definitely something.
सुन रहे हो पुराने ब्रांड वालों, यही कल्प्रेट है. इसी की वजह से नहीं हुआ तुम्हारा काम.
Yeah, so I feel like that was one of the biggest decisions, and it was very tough because after making the change, so many people when they heard about it were like कि तुमने गलती कर ली है, stuff like that. So
हम भी हार्ट ब्रोकन थे. हमने भी लिया था वो but they were
Yeah.
very good. They were
So-
very good. They helped us. They
so-
did the service to us. Yeah.
So
Sorry.
I think that was one of the top decisions, I would say, that I had strongly stood by and convinced him for 3 years that we need to do it. And number two is processes, I would say. We set up a lot of processes that I feel like at this point, when the business has grown so much, has really helped us.
What was it closing your first deal? What was the experience closing your first deal? हुआ ना कुछ यार ये कर दिया मैंने अरे यार ये पहला करोड़ जो है मेरा ओके फर्स्ट करोड़ फर्स्ट 100 crores first 200 crores
I think obviously the first 1 crore was the most memorable. I think I don't think that anything else in the world feels like that.
तो चेक हाथ में आवा ना लग रहा
Yeah,
होगा
I
क्या
think
कर लिया मैंने
Yeah, and मुझे I don't think I believed it also, to be fair. I had to relook at the check so many times
कितने का था वो
until it
check?
cleared. I was nervous.
कितने का था वो चेक
I think it was about like 1.6 CR का order कुछ था.
अच्छा
So it was quite
सब
memorable.
जगह डेट टाइम सही
Date,
है इंग्लिश
time,
हिंदी सब
ठीक
सही
है।
लिखा है कि नहीं
हमारा कंपनी का नाम है कि नहीं? But yeah, for me that was definitely, and 100 was a very tough. Actually, 200 we did quite easily, but 100 was very tough.
Very
That
tough.
one
When you started at that time, where was the business?
when I took over from Dad was
Yeah.
35 crores.
Oh wow! So about the 8-fold increase.
Yeah. So when the first year I started, we were at 35 crores.
And 100 you did it in how many years?
I think it was 2000. Yeah, 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah, 6-7 years we did it.
About 2018-19.
Yeah, we did.
Then the favorite part of the year came in COVID.
Yeah, just before COVID.
Just
yeah.
before COVID.
Just before COVID, we had touched it. So yeah, I'm glad we did it just before COVID.
हो गया बस जैसे जैसे कर लिया.
Yeah, but it was
How
very
was COVID
tough.
for you anyway?
I would say better than most businesses because at least
Not just as a business, but as your life. How was COVID? अच्छा बुरा scary बहुत लोगों के लिए बहुत डरावना था बहुत लोग people lost their loved ones lost their businesses.
Yeah, I mean, on that aspects, it was very tough to hear the stories and you would feel bad about it. But for me personally, I felt that it was a great break, honestly.
2-year long break.
No, it wasn't 2 years, right? Like it was on and off, but it was a great way for me to like understand that it's okay to not be working all the time, right? Like you need to understand ki kabhi kabhi it's okay to be doing nothing. And I feel like a lot of times people forget that it's okay. Like in the whole idea of nowadays is just always about hustling, right? People are always talking about 5 a.m. club, I get up at 4 a.m. They're always talking about stuff like that. And you start thinking that that's the only way to be successful, right? But I don't truly believe in that.
So from here, okay, two things. One is the 5 a.m. club that you mentioned. Another is the 5-day work week or a 4-day work week or a 3-day work week. What is your thought about this?
I truly believe in work-life balance. I feel like there's
Can you say the same thing to the Shikha that started at 35 crore and say कि work-life balance होना चाहिए?
I've always had work-life balance and I was very proud about it. I would never work unless, see, for example, if I work on a Sunday, I'll definitely take off in some other day in the week. And and I do that to anyone in our office. Like if they're overworked, overstressed, they absolutely can take a day off. They can do what they want to do. We encourage that to a great level. So even when I had started off, I was very strong on work-life balance. For me, my family plays a very critical role in my life and spending time with them is huge for me. So I would not
So
do
she's a
anything.
good boss. HR@lifefitnessindia.com यहीं आ रहा होगा कहीं पे.
I'm a good boss. I don't know about my HR team, just FYI.
So she's the one. She'll tell them. Yeah. So okay. So you believe in that कि भाई
Yes.
ये होना चाहिए 5 दिन काम किया 2 दिन you stay with your family you
yes.
de-stress.
And I feel like you have one life. You have to live it. Hustling is important, but I don't think that you should hustle your life to death, right? Like that's not something that I believe in at all.
करना पड़ेगा सीखना पड़ेगा गुरुजी से हमें भी थोड़ा सा कुछ हमें भी समझाना पड़ेगा हम नहीं कर पाते हम 7 दिन काम करते हैं हमारा बस तलाक होते होते रह जाता है इस वजह से
So yeah.
But
so
yeah, करना
all the wives
पड़ेगा.
are gonna be happy then.
I don't think so wives will ever be happy. ये एक controversial topic है बीवियाँ खुश नहीं होती कभी. So okay, so 100 crores, then 200 crores. So how do you see the industry going in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 15 years?
I think that there's huge growth potential for India. I feel like every avenue is growing in real estate, hospitality. सबको लग रहा है कि India is the next place to be. It's the place to be. You can see it in every industry, and I think it's going to be the same for fitness. I feel like with the gyms and the fitness centers, people are fearing, there are so much saturation is happening, but there's always avenues. I feel like the B towns are growing extensively. They have huge potentials for good gyms over there, and there's always going to be growth. We just need to look for different opportunities of growth.
सो हमारी जो ऑडियंस है ना यार, वो 20-25 साल के लड़के लड़कियां हैं जो भी कोर्स करके गए हैं या बिजनेस के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज द टेक होम, कुछ ऐसा डिस्कशन जो उनको लगे कि यार मेरे काम आएगा. लेट्स से 20-year-old इज वाचिंग, ठीक है, उसको इक्विपमेंट का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है. व्हाट आर योर पॉइंटर्स दैट यू विल टेल देम कि यार ये चीज़ करो, ये चीज़ करो, ये चीज़ करो. सक्सेस तो कोई गारंटी नहीं कर सकता, बट एक पाथवे उसको समझा सकते हो कि यार ये चीज़ें हैं जो आज आप करोगे तो आपको हेल्प होगी. मतलब एक तो इक्विपमेंट्स हो गए, एक इससे रिलेटेड एफिलिएटेड चीज़ें हो गई, मान लो कोई BCA स्कैन मशीन्स हो गई, या ऐसे और भी कुछ एग्जांपल्स इफ यू हैव इन माइंड.
आई थिंक कि द बिगेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग मुझे जो लगता है ना, कि लोगों को समझना चाहिए कि दे हैव टू फाइंड सम डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट. एवरीवन को लगता है कि मैं ओनली ट्रेडमिल बेचूं या वो बेचूं, दैट नेवर गोना बी सक्सेसफुल, बिकॉज एट दिस पॉइंट वी हैव टू मेनी प्लेयर्स. But they need to find any कोई upcoming product हो which they feel is doing really well. Like for instance, I met two girls, young girls, who are doing a machine which monitors your strength, that your biceps, your different muscle groups are able to give. It's just such a small product, but great. Imagine you're able to like test the strength of your right biceps, your left biceps, and see how you're developing in your personal training journey. Great product. And they've developed it themselves. Now that's the avenues that we need to look at. And they're also maybe 23, 24 होंगे दो लड़कियाँ. But we have to find some different products.
But how do they
ingenious
find
products.
those products? Point ये है
There's
कि
a
देखो
lot happening in the US.
अभी क्या होता है ना, देखो US, UK, यूरोप में हो रहा है, बट उसको यहाँ तक आते आते ना वो बहुत डाइल्यूट हो जाता है, या वो मिलता नहीं है, या वो मार्केट नहीं फिट बन पाती उसकी. जैसे सस्पेंशन ट्रेनिंग, TRX जैसी चीज़ें बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड बना US में, इंडिया में नहीं चला. इंडिया में वो मार्केट नहीं बना पाया, वो नहीं ग्रो कर पाया वैसे. तो अगर मान लो ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस में ही करना है कुछ, मे बी डजंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कैपेक्स, कम है कैपेक्स, तो उसमें क्या ऑप्शंस बचते हैं? डू यू सी रिफर्बिश्ड एज अ मार्केट?
Everywhere else, yes. And I feel like हाँ, इंडिया में भी स्कोप है रिफर्बिश्ड मार्केट्स का. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज अगेन, जो हमारे को प्राइसिंग में स्पेयर्स मिलती हैं, ऑथेंटिक स्पेयर्स मिलते हैं और ऑथेंटिक प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं, हमें जब वो चेंज करके जब तक वो प्रोडक्ट रेडी हो जाता है, इट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ द न्यू एंड द ओल्ड बहुत कम हो जाता है. एंड द रीजन बीइंग कि इंडिया इज अ वेरी प्राइस सेंसिटिव मार्केट. तो हमारे जो न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइस है दैट्स ऑलरेडी वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव. बट अगर आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया देखो, उनका जो न्यू प्राइस है इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट देन देयर रिफर्बिश्ड प्राइस. देयर इज अ 30-40% गैप.
अच्छा,
जो आपको यहाँ पे चांस ही नहीं है कि हम दे पाए.
तो ऐसा कैसा डिफरेंस है कि वहाँ स्पेयर सस्ते हैं, वहाँ टैक्सेशन कम है?
ऐसा नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट देयर प्रोडक्ट प्राइस इज हायर. द एबिलिटी टू पे फॉर अ प्रीमियम देयर इज मोर. People are okay to pay more for a treadmill than here. India is one of the cheapest in terms of equipments.
Okay.
More than the US, more than Australia, anywhere else. China, India, one of the cheapest places to buy equipment from.
Okay. So this is okay, becomes a product. Anything else that they can look at in the industry for now? जैसे मेरे पास कोई आता है, मैं उससे बोलता हूँ यार, you just don't look at jobs in gyms. There are equipment companies, there are supplement companies that are looking for people for advocacy.
Yeah.
That is a field that is there.
Yeah.
आप उधर जा सकते हो. ऐसा कुछ और समझ में आता है कि चलो ये नहीं कर सकते, बट ये एक बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है that is growing.
I think selling of fitness equipments, we're always looking for new people. But I only feel like everybody wants someone who's well trained in sales, right? So I feel like doing 1 or 2 years of sales in like a gym and getting a bit of sales experience, understanding the product, and then shifting to any sales of equipment हो गया, BC हो गया, protein हो गया. There's a lot of dearth. Everyone's always looking for aggressive sales representatives, and I feel like that's a big market. Number 2 that they can look at is studios, running their own studios, like their own personal training studio, or running our own, like see even TRX, like you gave an example. The only reason that they weren't successful is because we didn't have great trainers. But if you become the best TRX educator or a trainer, you have no dearth of opportunities in the country. Look at Pilates for that matter. All the instructors who invested their time and energy are now creating such great studios and doing so well. So I feel like you have to think few years ahead.
So let's say I go back in time and give younger Shikha 10 lakh rupees. What will she do with this money if she has to start a business?
I would definitely go and pick up some accessories, brand it, and start.
The accessories.
Any
business.
accessories.
And you think it's such a good money there?
Yes, it's good to start with. You start building your brand from there and you grow. But if in that kind of budgets that I have, I feel like that's a great business to be. Or number 2 is I would do a studio.
हाँ, देखो accessories is one thing जो मुझे भी लगता है कि एक बहुत बड़ा गैप है जो बिल्ड हो रहा है, जहाँ पे डम्बल्स, प्लेट्स, रॉड्स, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं लोगों को अच्छी चाहिए, इवन जो मैट्स बन रही हैं, बट वो मिल नहीं रहा है। तो अगर वो एक गैप हम ब्रिज कर देते हैं ना वहाँ पे, तो आप एक बहुत डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर सकते हो। मिलने कहाँ वाली है सारी चीज़ें? बताना पड़ेगा ना कहाँ मिलेंगी, ऐसे थोड़ी कि आप बोल के चले जाओगे।
I think China at this point, but hopefully manufacturing India improves then.
तो चाइना एक बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है इन सारी चीज़ों की। आपको लगता है कि चाइनीज़ प्रोडक्ट जो है वो नहीं चलते हैं या ख़राब रहते हैं, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि अभी उसका ऑल्टरनेटिव इंडिया में है जो आप यहाँ पर कुछ कर सकते हो उसके साथ। ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट एंड वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट्स, हाउ इज़ इट टू बी अ फीमेल इन द मेल डोमिनेटेड फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री? एक लड़की जो इस इंडस्ट्री में है जहाँ 99% लोग जो हैं वो मेल्स डोमिनेट करते हैं, कैसा रहता है? एंड बिफोर यू स्टार्ट, ये बात मुझे पता है किसने बोली थी? एक हमारी हम दोनों की कॉमन एक दोस्त है सिल्वी, जो फिटेक्स कर देती थी, तो बोलती थी सर पूरी इंडस्ट्री में सिर्फ 2 ही तो लड़कियां हैं, एक मैं हूँ और एक शिखा मैम है, इसके अलावा तो कोई है नहीं। अरे तब से मेरे दिमाग में सवाल है कि आप तो आज शिखा बताओ कैसा रहता है, ये चीज़ कैसी रहती है?
I think we have our pluses and minuses. I'll tell you the plus first. The pluses, we get meetings very easily. No one can say no to us.
फीमेल सेल्स पीपल लिसन टू दिस, ये गोल्ड है।
So we get meetings easily, I presume. I feel like they find it hard to say no to women. The tough part is that they don't take you seriously, especially initially in the business. I mean, over the years now, everybody knows me now, so it's much easier. But पहले जब होता था, they used to think it's a time pass, it's a hobby, or you may get married and never come back and show your face in the business, which is, I understand their perspective, but you do get a lot of those challenges for sure. So you need to explain key, or I might get pregnant and never come back again.
come
So
back
people have had so many questions, and I've had people ask me these questions in meetings, saying, "What's your future plan like? Are you going to be a part of the business for long?" and things like that. So you have
जब
to.
इक्विपमेंट ले रहा था तब ये पूछा।
Yes.
कल कुंडली तो नहीं मिलवानी कि
I-
कुंडली भी दे दो मेरे को कि आपका गुण मिलता है मुझसे कि नहीं मिल रहे?
Yeah, but I mean, they want to be safe, right? I mean, they're investing so much money into our business, so they want to understand कि it's a long-term
मतलब
business.
पिताजी की लेगेसी का कोई फायदा नहीं है कि बेटी क्या कर रही है पहले ये बताओ। ये क्या मतलब है यार? आप ब्रांड में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, ये यार ये जेंडर सेंसिटाइजेशन ना बहुत जरूरी है। And one of the bad experiences you said, any other thing that comes to your mind, or that is not a very pleasant experience for you कि यार ये लगता है यार ये नहीं बनी बात यहाँ पे इस वजह से because I am a female,
No.
या बहुत uncomfortable हो गया जब वो conversation start हुआ, नहीं लगा कि वो close हो पाएगा?
I don't think because of being a female, but sometimes you just don't get along in your value systems, which I'm okay with. I feel like agar they don't match your value systems or your energy, I think it's okay to say no and walk out. And I've always been pretty confident, and I've always been okay with saying
फिर
no.
वो जो आपका सेल्स मैनेजर है बोलता है मैम आप इन मीटिंग में मत जाया करो ना, मेरी सेल्स मार देते हो आप लोग।
अभी तक तो नहीं बोला है, थैंक गॉड। उनको प्राइज नहीं मिलेगी ना फिर।
चिकन से anonymous, शिखा मैम will not go to these meetings.
No. I feel like that's also changed in the last years. I'm happy that my team wants me in meetings. I think initially they were scared, but over time I think they've understood that I do help. So thank God for that.
Thank God. So, okay, what do you want to say to the females who want to join the industry, maybe as a sales rep, maybe as a personal trainer, maybe as a entrepreneur? What do you want to say to them?
I would say that if you decide to be a part of a business, or you decide to be a part of anything, right, do it to the best of your abilities. I feel like we think a lot before we start anything, but I feel like it's okay to start, it's okay to put in your best effort, and I feel like give it your best. That's the most important thing. Don't listen to what people have to say, or feel sensitive about people saying, oh, you got it just because you're a girl. Accept it and move on. Be like, yeah, okay, I got it because I was a girl, thank you. I don't think that we should care about other people's opinions about us.
मैं तो बोलता हूँ यार देखो, फीमेल ट्रेनर मिलना अफीम मिलने बराबर होता है, नहीं मिलता, होता ही नहीं है। और अपने चैलेंजेस हैं, देखो लेट रुकने तक का एक चैलेंज है ज़रूर, सुबह बहुत जल्दी आना है, अपने पास कन्वेंस नहीं है, तो वो भी एक चैलेंज है। बट अगर सेल्स में आप देखो, जो आपकी एक जर्नी रही, बिकॉज यू आर दी ओनर, तो आपके लिए एक अलग वो रहता है।
Of course.
बट फॉर अ फीमेल सेल्स रेप, उसकी तरह से अगर आप सोचो तो उसके क्या चैलेंजेस रहते हैं?
I think a lot. I feel like one of the biggest challenges, and I've heard a lot of them say, is that lot of the clients don't take them seriously, and also I feel like a lot of them do try to get their way with them.
ये मैंने भी सुना है बहुत
Yeah,
ज़्यादा.
in sales a lot of that happens. But if a girl is bold enough to say no, and she knows that she has the support from the company, we're never going to put you in a position that you have to work with someone you're not comfortable with. And most of the time they always go with some senior manager who's a guy.
नहीं होता है, पर आई थिंक लोगों को भी ना ये लगता है कि एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. वो लगता है बिजनेस नहीं है, एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मैं इससे बात कर सकता हूँ. जैसे
Exactly.
हमारी टीम में भी होता है कि फीमेल अगर काउंसलर है तो कॉल हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, देन मैसेज की मैम और क्या कर रहे हो आप, मैम कॉफ़ी पे चलोगे कि नहीं चलोगे. अरे यार वो बेचारी तेरे को कोर्स बता रही है, वो तेरे को बेचारी एक्सप्लेन कर रही है, तेरा करियर बना सकती है, बट तेरा दिमाग एक ही जगह गटर में रहेगा.
Yeah.
और
And
उसको लगता है और इस मैसेज से उसको वो कन्विंस कर लेगा, उसे लगेगा पता नहीं क्या लिख दी मैंने. बट या दिस इज समथिंग दैट कम्स इन. और मतलब शिखा के एक्सपीरियंस से भी जैसे आपने सुना कि ये सारी चीज़ें मैनेज हो सकती हैं. आप थोड़ा सा बोल्ड रहेंगे, अपने काम पे फोकस करोगे तो ग्रोथ जो मिलने वाली है ना इस इंडस्ट्री में वो बहुत एक्सपोनेंशियल होने वाली है. आपको मतलब आप सोच नहीं सकते कि अगर इंसेंटिव स्ट्रक्चर अगर शिखा या सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर अगर एक बेसिक एक ब्रॉड फ्रेमवर्क में अगर आपको लगता है क्या होता है इस इंडस्ट्री में, इक्विपमेंट में स्पेशली.
I think nowadays the average starting for anyone who's in sales is about 50,000 when you're starting, or 40 to 50,000 is the starting. इससे कम तो आजकल it's not, because it's a tough job, and you have to be in the field a lot. You have to be meeting new people. आपको बहुत सारा काम है उसमें, but the rewards are also equivalent, right? Like your incentives are very good. You get to travel a lot. You get to meet new people. So your opportunities are also a lot. And especially as a women, sales is huge requirement, right? At this point, no one's there in the industry.
तो ये जो अफवाह है मार्केट में कि लाइफ फिटनेस का टारगेट पूरा होते नई गाड़ी मिलती है, सच है कि झूठा है? और ये गाड़ी क्यों मिलती है, कैश क्यों नहीं मिलता, ये मेरा एक सवाल बहुत सालों से है. बहुत सारे लोगों को मैं देखता हूँ कि वो गाड़ी देते हैं, जैसे आईटीसी भी यही करता है, पर ऐसा क्यों होता है?
So पहले हम गाड़ी देते थे, but we have moved to cash now.
अच्छा.
Much easier.
रीजन जानना चाहता.
No, we used to give luxury cars because we felt like it's not only for the, see sometimes क्या होता है, and my personal thing is that you're always under pressure of money, right? Like you want to give your home loan or you want to finish something, but you're never doing anything for your kids or your wife, right? You never realize that they might have some fantasies or some goals.
नेकलेस भेजते?
I do that as well.
That also.
So we have a lot of corporate teams जिसके families को we give gold and all, but to the wives we don't give it to the person working for us because मुझे लगता है कि it's not only your family puts in so much for you as well, right? So we've done it. Like people who worked with us for 20 years and all, their wives always during Diwali will come to dad and they'll get something of that sort. So but yeah, we've moved to cash now.
बट कार देते क्यों थे? मैं एक्सेप्ट ये
Only because
टैक्स तो नहीं बचता था?
नहीं ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं होता था, but it's just that it was a happiness quotient at that point. But now we've all moved to cash. It's only cash.
Only cash. हार्ड कैश मिलता है जो
Hard
आप
नहीं
यूज
अकाउंट में मिलता है. We have no gunny bags of cash.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ और, ये जो इंडस्ट्री में नॉर्म है कि अगर मैं एक ट्रेनर हूँ या मैं एक ऐसा इंसान हूँ जो मैं लीड आपके पास लेके जाता हूँ तो मुझे पैसे मिलते हैं?
Yes, it's a norm.
कितना होता है वो अमाउंट?
Very dependent. But yeah, about 5 to 10% तो is a pretty much of a norm actually in our industry.
अच्छा, और उसमें ये भी होता है कि वो बोलता है इनको मत बताना?
किसको? जो ओनर
जो
है?
ओनर है. और तो मुझे बाद में ब्लैकमेल करते हैं कि मैं बता दूंगी मैं पैसे नहीं दे रही. अच्छा, इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे लोग हैं जो क्या करते हैं कि ऐसे ले लेते हैं लीड्स, फिर बाद में पैसे नहीं देते बेचारों को.
That's not us.
That I know that is not you.
Yeah, but I think कि it is a norm and hopefully over time it changes कि जब the salaries become better, people respect their opinion without the money aspect, I feel like it will get better.
वो भी है, बट आई थिंक इट्स सच अ बिग अमाउंट फॉर देम अगर वो करते
Yes.
हैं तो. मतलब मैं जानता हूँ, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू गिव अ शाउट आउट टू वन ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो इन ओन जिम्स आल्सो, जोएब. तो मैं जोएब को बोलता हूँ, जोएब जिम में क्यों चला रहा है? इससे बेटर इफ यू स्टार्ट कंसल्टिंग ऑन द इक्विपमेंट पार्ट, इट विल बी अ बेटर जॉब फॉर यू. Not job, at least, or consultancy money would be so much that it will do better for you.
Yeah.
Because जो आपको नॉलेज है, जो आप इक्विपमेंट को समझते हो, और जब आप किसी को एक्सप्लेन करने जाते हो वो चीज़ें, दैट इज वेरी डिफरेंट इफ यू यूज द इक्विपमेंट. इफ यू नॉट यूज्ड इट, इफ यू जस्ट बीन रट्टोफाइंग थिंग एंड वहाँ जाके कि सर ये इस लेदर का बना है, ये वाला पिलर है और ये वाला पिलर है, पीपल वोंट अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दैट. Okay. Now, the pain point for all of us. What do you think about the trade shows that are happening in India?
I think at one point they were very good. The
When
sare
you
brands.
say good, what do you mean by the good? Good you mean the HNIs that came in?
No.
Good you mean the crowd that came in? Good you mean you were able to generate business because of that?
No, I would say good in the sense कि people in the trainers and हम सबको ही लग रहा था कि the industry is big. You had that feeling कि you know what, we're a part of a very big industry. We're part of something that means something to people. When you see जो trainers आते थे तब, that passion that they had, the love that they had for fitness, it's a feeling that you can never lose. Like I used at Body Power as an example, like I used to feel rejuvenated, if I would say. Like I would like, oh, you know what I'm doing is actually right. Like I used to love coming to trade shows because you could feel like, you know, I love doing what I'm doing, and I miss that the most about trade shows, you know, to come to a booth and to talk to people and eating, you know, we love Hammer Strength, we've never seen this product, you know, that passion that they had. I miss that a lot about trade shows. And I feel like over time we have forgotten why we used to do it. And I feel like once we bring the essence of why we do it, maybe we can come up with a show that actually is successful in that sense for us.
कर रहे हैं हम कर रहे हैं एशिया एडुफिट समिट 2025 रेडिसन ब्लू no but the point is what has changed from that to this, that when I speak to you, when I spoke to you about any trade show, नहीं करना चला, ये नहीं है, बेकार है, ये नहीं करना, कुछ ऐसा डिफरेंस जो मेजर यू फील कि यार ये ऐसा हो गया कि मेरा मन नहीं करता करने का?
It's just the investment.
ये तो बहुत महंगा हो गया.
The trade shows are, the booth is very expensive. Setting up the booth is very expensive. Matlab, I can roughly tell you that it takes us about backwards by 1.5-2 CR when we put in a trade show. Just the equipment you put in display, the booth construction, the booth cost, the electricity, getting the manpower in. You just cannot see a return. So when you start looking at it as in numbers and don't see that return on that investment, over time, you also don't feel passionate enough to do it.
So what are the other avenues that look at, not just the trade shows? ये हो गया, इसके अलावा what else do you look at for marketing?
So we love doing smaller clinics, which we call as our Hammer Strength clinics, which are smaller education platforms that we do. Only 30-40 people, very close knit. We love doing those events because there again we see a lot of passion. We see a lot of people are so excited to be a part of it. There's so much learning, there's so much interaction. I personally like doing events like that where I truly get to meet the 30 people. When I was initially part of, when I had started Hammer Strength clinics, let's say 10 years back, I used to visit all the 30 clinics that we did.
Wow.
I used to be a part of all the 30 clinics. I used to meet all the trainers. Great experience for me. I used to learn so much from them. I've learned so much from them. So those are the events that I like doing. Being, you know, those are the
small
kind of
knit
things.
communities बन गया,
Yeah.
उसको grow किया
Yeah.
धीरे-धीरे, और अब जो बन गया वो सिर्फ शोर है, वहाँ शोर मचता रहता है, बड़ा म्यूजिक
You
चला.
never get to talk. You never get to understand their pain points. You never get to understand कि हम क्या better कर सकते हैं. There's no learning, and I feel like that's my biggest point in a
Yes.
trade show now, that I don't have any learning from
Learning
it.
from there,
And for me, if I don't feel like I learned something, I don't feel like it's worth my time.
Agreed. ये तो यार है कि जिस तरीके से मार्केट चेंज हो रहा है, मार्केट फिट बदल रहा है, so things are moving in the wrong direction अभी जिस तरीके से लग रहा है. Okay, now this was about the industry, this was about business. Now we come to a little personal aspect.
Sure.
You know what it is. It's gonna be a
I
bouncer.
really don't know what it
मैंने
is.
कोई वो नहीं लिए questions. So she belongs to one of the most influencer family. How it's like to be the daughter of an influencer, the sister of an influencer.
Sisters, all influencers. So I'm very camera shy, and I think that's one of the
And
reasons.
because बहुत टाइम लगा इसको कन्विंस करने के लिए कि आओ बात करते हैं, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था, बड़ी मुश्किल से. she
That's
agreed.
not true. He sent me a text and I said okay, but
I'm telling you no. I'm telling you, it took a lot of time, lot of bribe.
yeah. So I'm very camera shy. I wouldn't say I've always been, but I don't like taking reels and things like that. That's just not my vibe. But I don't think a lot of people actually know that she's my mom, which is a good thing. Only off late when she posted a picture of me, that's the only time that even my close friends got to know.
Oh,
Like
इतना
friends-
secret.
Friends who know me from when I'm much older, that I've met now, not my younger friends, they've seen my mom through and through. But people who've become friends after I've grown up only recently came to know that she's my mom. But yeah,
तो अब बोलते हैं वो कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट पुश करा दे यार, उनको बोले एक रील डाल दे, एक स्टोरी डाल दे, मैं पैसे नहीं दूंगा.
hota hai, but not that much. It's Chennai. People are very polite.
बट करवाते हैं कि नहीं करवाते?
Not really.
Not really.
No, because she has a manager team now. You honestly, even we don't have any control on the brand she does.
तो
It's
क्यों?
all by a
हम तो बोलते
media
रहते हैं हमारी
company.
दोस्त की मम्मी कर देंगे तुम करवाओ डरवाओ स्टोरी
Yeah, I mean, once in a while it's okay, but most of the things is managed by an outside agency now, so good.
देख लो कुछ तो कर ही सकते हैं तो तुम्हारा क्या प्लान है कब बनना है इन्फ्लुएंसर
Not at all.
रिटायरमेंट के बाद नहीं
Maybe 60 plus influencer.
झूठ बोल रही है कंटेंट अब ज्यादा डालना शुरू करेगी शी स्टार्ट शूटिंग मोर कंटेंट
No, I really
व्हाट काइंड ऑफ
can't.
कंटेंट यू वुड लाइक टू अपलोड वर्कआउट्स फूड
I think I mean, so we went
Leadership.
a trip. No, so we went a trip to Morocco with my sister, and that's the time she was starting up her page. I would say it was 8-9 years ago, and I was like making fun of her, saying, "Ye kya hai? You know, it's so easy. Why are you complaining? It's a tough job." And she told me, "Just take a video for the whole day, like." Take a video for the whole day, and if you're able to collect enough videos for the whole day, I'll believe that it's easy. And I couldn't do it. I kept forgetting.
कैन यू कमेंट डाउन एंड से कि ये शायर है लड़की झूठ बोलती है झूठ सफेद झूठ
I keep
ऐसा कुछ
forgetting.
नहीं है ये इसने एक बैकअप प्लान रखा हुआ है कि ये
No,
कंपनी जाएगी 1000 करोड़ पे फिर यहाँ से मेरा नया करियर शुरू होगा जहाँ पे मैं लीडरशिप की इन्फ्लुएंसिंग की बात
not.
करोगी मैं
course
बता रहा हूँ अगले 2 साल में इंस्टाग्राम
my
अकाउंट
gosh.
बनेगा
I hope not.
लर्न लीडरशिप विद शिखा गुप्ता
Unlock your leadership skills.
देखा मैंने कहा था ना सोच रखा है इसने she is lying she will
Of
make
course
that
not.
happen
Of course not.
she will make that happen. Any recent travel, beach, mountains? What does the travel look like for you? कैसा रहता है? वहाँ गए फोन आया मैडम 2 करोड़ रुपए फंसे हुए क्या करना है? ऐसा होता है?
नहीं.
मेरे वाला होता है यार मेरे वाले तो फोन करते रहते हैं मुझे.
मेरा तो ज़्यादा WhatsApp में चलता है एक्चुअली ओवर टाइम दैट्स वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट वी हैव डन वेरी वेल इसकी टेक्स्ट मोर देन कॉल
टेक्स्ट हो जाता है.
हाँ तो WhatsApp इज मोर फॉर अस एंड इट्स ऑल
मेरी बीवी बोलती है कि तू सारा दिन फोन पे लगा रहता है.
Yeah.
काम करते हैं हम देखो WhatsApp पे होता है अब.
Yeah, for us, most systems are set. So I think more WhatsApp messages. I need to be available on WhatsApp. That's all.
Okay.
No need to be in call. It's not the
Just
case.
मैसेज कर दिया कि मैम ये डील फंस रहा है क्या करना.
हाँ बस, and I'll reply
और
back.
तुम बैठ के मोरक्को के बीच पे.
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Yeah, I'll be like, oh, how much have I spent on this holiday? How much do I have to make back? And I'll be like, yes or no.
लग नहीं रहा हो पाएगा डील को डबल करो.
I was like, oh, I've spent too much on this trip. Need to say yes for
या
this
तो फिर
deal.
ऐसे डील आ गया चार्टर कर लो यार एक कम लग रहा है ज्यादा हो गया.
Too much.
ऐसा होता है.
कि charter करो?
Charter कर लो.
No. I'm still Banya by heart. Yeah, what to do?
पंजाबी बने यार. दिल्ली में सरकार आ गई है बनियों की ऐसे मत बोलो. अब तो बनियों का राज है दिल्ली पे. वो भी गुप्ता है कोई बुआ हुआ तो नहीं है तुम्हारी रेखा
No.
गुप्ता.
If someone asked me that, but no, sorry.
नहीं कोई रिश्ता नहीं है ढूंढ के निकालो पापा से पूछो कोई बहन थी दूर की.
दूर की आज
दूर की कोई बहन थी.
Open the
चलेंगे
chart.
हाँ चार्ट करके ये रेखा गुप्ता देखो वो मेरे चाचा की मामा की लड़की थी.
No.
नहीं बनता.
Nahin. But yeah, for us, holidays is actually we've stopped doing holidays separate. It's always work related holiday. मतलब हम for example हम फीबो चले गए उसके बाद यूरोप कर लिया.
अच्छा ऐसा क्या है यूरोप चले गए फीबो हो गया काम. ऐसा कुछ ना?
काम भी फिर holiday भी. So then that's literally what we do now. But yeah, I can't be sitting on the beach की doing nothing. That's not my vibe.
अच्छा वहाँ बीच पे नहीं जाना.
नहीं even beach or mountains, I can't be just sitting and doing nothing.
मतलब ऐसे चिल वाला नहीं कि बैठ गए आराम से
2-3 घंटे
दुनिया
नहीं.
गए बाहर जान.
नहीं.
क्या करना है उठ के.
मतलब I need to do some activity. I don't need to do sightseeing, but I need to walk around the city or like go to a cafe, look at it. But even then I can't sit in the cafe for 3 hours doing nothing. That's very hard for me. And that's why I vacation with the group.
हाँ कि बात करते रहो.
बात करो या something.
बकचोदी चलती रहे.
Something.
Something like that.
Yeah, I don't know the last time that it's been couple holiday or something like that. It's very tough for both of us.
Okay. Now what is the challenging part of the business? अभी क्या चल रहा है आजकल? कुछ है? Taxation, transportation, imports. क्या है tax? Pain points.
Tax is a big problem, and especially with 11% customs duty and then 18% GST. I think as an end user, the 18% GST is hard on people. Even though you can offset it in the gyms, people feel it's very hard. I feel like that's definitely a big challenge.
जो अभी आ रहा है.
It's always been,
तो
and
उसका
I
कुछ
feel
कर
like
रहे
it
हैं?
continues.
कुछ कर रहे हो मिल रहे हो कुछ मंत्री से.
I think we've tried or they've tried, and every time it says कि it's a luxury for people to go to the gym
अच्छा.
or go use an equipment. It's always considered a luxury, which I don't think is right. I feel like fitness should be put a priority.
मतलब कितने लोग हैं इंडिया में जो प्री डायबिटिक है? मतलब 800 मिलियन पीपल जो हैं, मतलब 8 करोड़ लोग हैं जो प्री डायबिटीज़ की तरफ जा रहे हैं, डायबिटीज़ का शिकार है, और आप कह रहे हो जिम एक लग्जरी है. तो ये समझाने की कैसे कोशिश करें इनको, ये जो गूंगी बहरी सरकार है इसको कैसे कैसे जगाना है, क्या करें ऐसा? नहीं, मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ इस चीज़ से. मैं क्यों बता रहा हूँ आपको. जिम पे 18% टैक्स है, इक्विपमेंट पे आप कह रहे हो 11 + 18. वो फिटनेस इतना महंगा हो जाता है ना कि आदमी एक जो मिडिल क्लास है ना वो नहीं कर पाता. मिडिल क्लास का मतलब मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, दैट इफ यू अर्न 25,000 रुपीज इन इंडिया, यू आर इन द टॉप 10% ऑफ द पीपल, एंड दैट इज व्हाट योर ग्रुप इज, और दैट इज व्हाट योर ऑडियंस इज दैट यू वांट टू केटर टू. अब मुझे बताओ यार, 25,000 रुपये कमा रहा है वो, और तुम उसे कहते हो 2,000-2,500 रुपये तो जिम पे अगर खर्चता है तो वो लग्जरी. कांट इट बी लाइक होटल्स की यार, जैसे होता है कि 5,000 के ऊपर आपका जीएसटी स्लैब अलग है, 5,000 से नीचे आपका जीएसटी स्लैब अलग है. Why can't we have something like this in India?
I think we should. I think that it is a point to consider. But I also feel like people think now कि, especially the government, everybody thinks कि we are putting outdoor gyms. If you can't afford a gym, please use the outdoor gym.
सच्ची बताइए, ये आउटडोर जिम तूने लास्ट कब यूज किया था?
I will not, because it means that outdoor gym तो कुछ है ही नहीं वहाँ पे. It's a namesake outdoor. But I'm saying the perception that people have कि you can work out anywhere. I work out on my terrace. It's just an excuse. That's literally what people think, right? But for someone, it's truly not affordable, and I think that we need to consider that, and everyone needs to consider that it's not a luxury.
नहीं, it's not a luxury also, and you're trying to help people. एक वो प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर की जब बात आती है ना कि बीमारी होने क्यों दे रहे हो, उसको पहले बुला लो ना. आप उसको बोलो एक्सरसाइज करे, उसको बोलो अच्छा खाए. मोदी जी अब बोल रहे हो ओबेसिटी के बारे में, मोटापा कम करो, ये कम करो, वो कम करो, तो उसके लिए एफर्ट तो डालो. उसका एफर्ट यही है ना कि आप जिम्स को एक्सेसिबल बनाओ, जिम्स को अफोर्डेबल बनाने की कोशिश करो.
And I think that we all need to just have a stronger lobby, and I feel like that's where we're lacking.
लॉबी बन सकती है, लगता है फिटनेस में बन सकती है लॉबी.
I hope so.
आज की कंडीशन में लगता है. I know कि एक वेंडर्स का ग्रुप है जो बना हुआ है, but as an industry, you think it can be consolidated?
I feel like if we all put our egos aside, it can. It's about putting it aside.
मुझे तो नहीं लगता.
I think being I mean, we should. If we want to see the future in a better way.
We should, पर मैं आपको आज बता रहा हूँ, दिल्ली में सीलिंग का डंडा आया, ठीक है, हम सब लोग मिल गए, सब लोग गए मंत्री के पास, हो गया. जैसे ही वो ऑर्डर खत्म हुआ ना, तो अब जिस नेता ने कराया था उसको थैंक यू बोलना था. हमने थैंक यू के लिए एक मीटिंग रखा, एंड उस ग्रुप में ना 256 जिम ओनर्स थे, और ऐसे 3-4 ग्रुप्स थे. आप मानोगे नहीं, 150 लोगों को नहीं आना, 150 लोगों को बुलाना मुश्किल हो गया था वहाँ. वो मतलब हॉल खाली था. ये मतलब लोग हैं कि जिनको ना सिर्फ तब याद आती है कि जब इंडस्ट्री क्राइसिस में है तो हम आ जाएंगे, बट जब आपको लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री की जरूरत है आप आओ, बट दे वोंट कम.
But I don't think it's their fault as well. I feel like bigger players like us have not made that effort as well, and I feel like that's one of our drawbacks, and mine as well. I would never make an effort कि मैं आऊँ, help and do, and I think that I have recognized that, and I wish that I'm going to be able to.
वैसे बनाते हैं ना Gyms and Vendors Association.
Yeah, I mean whatever it is.
हमारी नेता कैसी हो?
Oh my gosh. No. I mean, yeah, but I still want to definitely be quite active and
नहीं यार, देखो करना पड़ेगा आपको, मेरे को, हम लोगों को करना पड़ेगा अगर हम चाहते हैं इस इंडस्ट्री को ग्रो करना. बिकॉज जिस पेस पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं ना तो इंडस्ट्री को सपोर्ट मिलेगा, ना मैन पावर मिलने वाली है, ट्रेनर्स बढ़ नहीं रहे हैं, आप लोगों को भी सर्विस स्टाफ चाहिए, आप लोगों को सेल्स के लोग चाहिए. जब तक एज एन इंडस्ट्री आप इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, इसको प्रमोट नहीं कर रहे हो, आई डोंट थिंक वी कैन ग्रो.
Sure, yeah.
So as a bigger player, I think you all have to come forward. Brands have to come forward. Cult है, Golds है, Anytime है. They all have to come forward and say कि यार ये चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. आपको जिम को 5% के स्लैब पे लाना पड़ेगा. कि ये कर सकते हो कि आप इतने से ऊपर का जिम जो है वो 5% चार्ज करेगा, इससे नीचे है वो 18% करेगा. Whatever that slab can be, this should be there. अगर ये नहीं हो रहा है ना तो आप इंडस्ट्री को ज़्यादा नुकसान कर रहे हो. कल मैं एक मीटिंग में गया था तो उन्होंने मुझे एक नंबर ऑफ जिम्स बताए इंडिया में. कितने, क्या लगता है कितने होंगे?
Including what, like?
Any gym, any number of gyms.
We have a lot, I would say. Are they considering studios?
Yes, studios are different. Just the gyms.
I would say at least about 25,000 plus.
1,34,000 gyms
Oh my
are
gosh.
on Google. जो गूगल पे जिनका है एड्रेस वेड्रेस सब वेरीफाइड है, 1,34,000.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
बिग नंबर मेरे लिए। मतलब कल मेरी आंखें खुल गई, मैंने कहा 1,34,000 तो कंफर्म्ड है। इसके अलावा स्टूडियोज अलग है, योगा स्टूडियोज अलग है, पिलाटेस स्टूडियो अलग है, बाकी सब चीज़ें अलग है।
But where are these gyms?
एवरीवेयर, एवरी सिटी इफ यू गो टू दी स्मॉलर जिम्स। और मुझे लगता है कि अब तो जो छोटे जिम्स हैं वो भी गूगल पे आ जाते हैं, अपना एड्रेस वेड्रेस बना लेते हैं या कोई उनके बिहाफ पे बना देता है। तो मुझे लगता है नंबर गलत नहीं है, हो सकता है इससे ऊपर ही होगा, इससे नीचे नहीं होने वाला।
Okay.
और एक इतनी बड़ी मार्केट है ना जो हम मतलब केटर ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, कि हमें लगता है कि ये जो लोग हैं अभी जिम जा रहे हैं, अभी ये तो बहुत छोटा नंबर है। आज अगर मैं नंबर देखूँ तो 0.4-0.6% का नंबर आता
That's
है
all.
कि कुछ लाख लोग हैं जो जिम जाते हैं।
Yeah.
बट एक बहुत बड़ी पॉपुलेशन है जो जिम जा ही नहीं रही है।
And it's huge.
इट्स अ ह्यूज नंबर। पाई का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है जो जिम नहीं जा रहा।
Yeah, but I think the biggest reason is affordability, like you rightly said. And also कि वो जो thought process है कि उनमें भी वो thought process है कि it's not a necessity, a luxury.
मतलब मुझे लगता है थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे ये 4 दिन ऐसे होते हैं कि वीकेंड पे लोग जिम नहीं आते।
Yeah.
मतलब वो मूवी मिस नहीं करेंगे, वो रेस्टोरेंट मिस नहीं करेंगे, वो डांस पार्टी मिस नहीं करेंगे। वो मिस क्या कर रहे हैं कि यार जिम नहीं जाना, बारिश आ गई जिम नहीं जाना, शादी है जिम नहीं जाना। मतलब इट्स नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ। इट्स लाइक एक पनिशमेंट है, एक ऐसी तरह की चीज़ है जो मैं जाता हूँ कभी और करके आ जाता हूँ। तो मुझे लगता है कि वो चेंज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि यार आप जो है जिम अपनी हेल्थ के लिए जा रहे हो।
The mindset shift.
द
हाँ.
माइंडसेट शिफ्ट।
And it's not only them, like even us for that matter, right? Like personally me also, like how many times I have to like mentally tell myself that this is a necessity for your life. It's just not a natural thing. But मुझे लगता है कि this also comes down from when as a young adult if you start. And if your parents have put you in that exposure to start, it makes a huge difference. You see so many people when they talk, they be like, oh, my mother thinks I'm having steroids if it's protein or protein powder or something. That mindset also affects people. And I feel like if from a young age, if that thought process in the house changes, it becomes a habit.
ये बहुत है कि अगर पेरेंट्स एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो
Yes.
बच्चे जल्दी दिखते हैं। बस सानू इज 6
Yep.
ईयर ओल्ड, तो अब वो एक्सरसाइज करना चाहता है, वो लिफ्ट करना चाहता है, उसको लगता है यार ये तो कुछ है जो पापा करते हैं, आई शुड गो एंड आल्सो लिफ्ट
Absolutely,
वेट्स। तो वो
absolutely.
करता है, इट्स ओके। बट अब ये लगता है कि उसको इतनी जल्दी समझ में आ गया तो शायद उसको आगे कंटिन्यू रखेगा, आगे बात करता रहेगा। What do you see the fitness fads that come and go? How do you rate them? I'll give you the name, then you will just tell me a number about it. Pilates,
I think a 7,
Zumba,
4,
diet shakes,
0.
intermittent fasting,
Personally a 5,
functional training,
7.
a 7,
Yeah, I would say that some people enjoy it, so it's okay.
weight training,
10,
cardio,
6.
yoga.
I heard good things about them, so I'm going to say 7.
Yoga is 7.
7.
Lemon ginger water.
0.
Okay. Cryotherapy.
Personally, I love it, so I'm going to give it a 7 or an 8 for sure.
Theragun.
I would still keep it there, 8.
You would. 8.
Yeah, 8. I feel like for people who do not have, like if you're traveling and you don't have access to a physio or a misuse, it's very important.
Steam sauna.
Steam, not a big fan, but infrared sauna, big fan. I would say a 10 for it.
Infrared sauna. Why do you
Yes.
think it's gonna work?
So I feel like people are the amount of research that's coming out of how it's helping with your cardiovascular health. I think that with the in contrast where you hear amount of people getting strokes or heart attack, I feel like that balance is very important.
Don't you think already gyms don't have spaces and the land is so expensive? Do you think it will be advisable to them that they open these things in the gym?
See, you have to understand that gyms cannot say we only do cardio and strength anymore. People need an holistic wellness center.
But उसके लिए कोई पैसा नहीं खर्चेगा.
I think people's perception is changing. If you see Wellness Co and brands like that who are having individual places for recovery and are making you pay so much, you're trying to tell me that they're not going to pay half of that in the gym. They will. It's just that the trend has to grow to that level where you understand the importance of it.
Okay, so 3 recovery trends that you see coming in the gyms in the next 5 years.
It's already happening. I would say everybody is opening new gyms, are looking at infrared sauna, are looking at ice baths. And they're definitely having some space of like Theragun or Hyperice to be there because they feel like these are the three important things for
So any
recovery.
plans for you to come into this industry also, recovery?
So
Because I know you do Theragun.
we used to, yeah, but Theragun's direct now. We used to, but we are definitely looking extensively on ice baths and saunas with our own brand called Ramp
Also,
Up.
ice bath is something, yes, I see people now opting for it. I don't know about the hygiene part, how people are going to manage all of that.
No idea.
But
No idea.
because they're doing it with the liquid nitrogen. मैं wellness company में जब मैं गया तो यार वो ना जो माइनस टेम्परेचर था वो जस्ट लाइक अ ड्राई एयर तो वो इतना ज़्यादा मतलब इतना आपको इम्पैक्ट नहीं करता 3 मिनट में जितना मुझे लगता है कि वो वाटर के
Going
अंदर जो
into
डिप
dipping,
होगा
yeah. People have said that a lot.
वो नहीं कर पाता उतना मैंने ट्राई किया कि जो मैं चिल शावर लेता हूँ या चिल वो टब में बैठ जाओ आइस बात कर लिया वो ज़्यादा बेटर काम करते हैं कंपेयर टू दीज थिंग्स
Yeah. I personally can never get into an ice bath. For me, ice water itself is too tough. So I have no comments on it. But I'm very impressed with people who do it. But I can't. For me, it's hot water all the way.
Why?
Even in the hottest of Chennai heats, I use hot water. If I'm not
क्यों?
pink after my bath, I don't feel like I've had bath.
क्यों करना है
So I'm a big sauna fan.
भेजो इन्हें रखो दिल्ली में 50 डिग्री पे रखो इन्हें यहाँ पे
happy.
50 डिग्री में
Happy person.
एक ही आदमी मैंने पहली बार देखा जो बोलता है 50 डिग्री में I'm happy.
I can't be in ice bath.
चलो coming towards the end we have some pictures for you
Oh no.
since you are from the equipment and wellness industry so we have some pictures that will show you
Aren't we not? Isn't time up?
no
I
it's-
think it is.
so
I
she
think
will have
it's
to tell
time
us
for
what
me
is
to
it
leave.
how it's gonna work and
Oh
all
my
of that
god. How's it going to work? What do you mean?
क्या करता है कैसे करता है क्या है what's gonna be this
Isn't this the vibration machines that they had before that vibrated your stomach? I'm going to call it a vibrating machine.
yes
Yeah.
the sauna belt का ना
Sauna
older
belt
older
version.
version जो था
Sauna belt vibrator.
हाँ सोना बेल्ट का बेचना है
No.
मंगवाई
Okay, thank you. What? It's written tidal tank, but I'm thinking it's a great core workout.
क्या है ये
I think it's you just fill water in a water in a core bag and have try to be innovative.
No, it's something called fluid training or something. I have seen this. So water can act as a resistance and it,
Yeah,
it
I'm
changes the shape and all.
Yeah.
So very in. We're trying to get this for our conference also. Let's see if that
So
lady
tidal
comes
tank, please pay attention. Hamster wheel.
in. Do you have this in your stock? You have this in your stock
We
now.
have moved it to hamsters now. It's a hamster wheel, guys. I don't know. Oh, this is a
Yeah,
go bag.
easy
This
one.
is an escape product, so I'm good at it. Oh wow! What is this?
Don't look at the boy. Equipment I'm talking about.
Sorry, his abs are distracting me. It's a boy with abs. What is this? It's a. Is it a leg raise machine while sitting down?
It's a twister.
Oh, it's a twister. Wow.
So the abs and all. It's a twister. See the movement that they're mentioning.
Oh, that's why they've shown the arrows.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, twister, guys, twister.
Do you know what is this?
I think it's from Star Wars. So it's I'm guessing that she gets a VR and she's able to do some VR training with this.
Yes, it's a VR training on this specific machine for astronauts also.
Wow.
This is one of the training thing.
TRX.
Suspension training, not very popular in India. What is this?
That's just a guy with abs, guys. An ab roller.
Easy peasy.
Oh, this is your like for different push-up movements.
Push-up
Love it.
stand,
Push-up
yeah.
stand. Great
Push-up stand.
product. Oh,
Easy.
I have never used this product, but
You've seen it or no?
I have. It's like it's a form of the suspension training only, but
It's a real product. It's called RIP trainer.
Oh, yeah.
RIP. RIP for the rotational movements
Correct,
for
got it.
hockey players, all of that. It's a multi-gym.
Yeah.
ये तो तुम्हारा काम है.
it's a sledge again
Sledge.
from Escape Fitness.
Oh, this is normal. And I had something for you.
Something for me.
Tell me what is this?
Wow, it says squat magic, so I'm assuming you can squat on it, but
How?
I have never seen this.
You've never seen this?
No, I haven't.
So this is basically जो हमारा
I feel like a squat screwdriver sort of a thing. Like,
There is a pin that is at the bottom.
so you can pin it anywhere and squat, like you sit on it and get up. Is that what it is?
It's more like a stool that you can basically adjust the height where you want to go with.
So it's basically a squat.
Yes.
Oh
And
wow, where did you find it? Amazon, your favorite place?
No, it's not me. It's my team who has done it. मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है इसमें.
I truly don't believe that. I don't
No.
believe it one bit.
No, this is not something that I have done. But
Okay, but I'm impressed that they found two products that I've not seen: the squat machine and the.
the rip. It's just not a machine. It's
No, the
basically you
rip
can.
I've seen, but I wasn't getting the actual name. But I've not seen anyone run on the hamster wheel.
Hamster wheel also ये squat वाला जो है ना उसमें spring है तो हम ढंग से नहीं करोगे तो धक करके ऊपर लगेगा.
So yeah, so it's not. Don't do it at home.
Do it at home. करो घर पे करना. जिम में आके मत करना. वायरल अगर होना है तो करना. नहीं तो मत करना जिम में.
Actually, good point. Do it at home. Don't do it at the gym.
जिम में आगे करते हो तो बहुत दिक्कत है. Okay, and now the last part is basically about the equipment maintenance. Anything that you want to say to the people? Anything
I'm gonna-
related to the equipment maintenance? कुछ
I'm
भी
gonna
कर बोलना.
get a lot of hate on this, but please don't use outside shoes on our treadmills. I beg you.
मत करो यार. क्यों जिम गंदे करते
And
हो?
don't throw weights around in the gym. I
That's
feel
also a
like
problem.
those are two big no-nos in gym etiquettes. So
Gym
if you
etiquettes, वो
can
तो अब लिखवाने
sort of
पड़ेंगे
like,
बाहर. अब लाइफ में देना शुरू कर दो ना ऐसे बना के जिम एटिकेट्स ये करना है ये नहीं करना.
we've made a lot of videos about it actually.
वीडियोस नहीं देखते यार ये लोग. ये गनपड़ हैं
So no
लोग.
one's gonna watch our podcast.
वो हम कर देंगे वायरल. इसमें एक पॉइंट है सर जिसको काट के वायरल कर
Oh
देंगे.
my gosh.
Whoever will watch this video, she will get merchandise worth 1 crore.
Wow, that's not true.
मैं बता रहा हूँ ये मिलने वाला है. अगर पॉडकास्ट पूरा देखोगे तो इसके एंड में आएगा कैसे मिलेगा.
Oh wow.
So thank you so much, Shikha. It was an amazing discussion.
No, thank you for
I hope
having
you
us
enjoyed.
here. No, I had a great
जितना
time.
टाइम मुझे लगा तो मैं कन्विंस करने के लिए क्या उतना मजा आया कि नहीं आया.
No, I had a great time. I liked how candid and free and not prepared this was.
तो फिर चेक कब साइन करना है इसका स्पॉन्सरशिप का.
Yeah, isn't it done?
इस पॉडकास्ट के लिए मुझे कोई पैसे नहीं मिले हैं. इट इज जस्ट द इंडस्ट्री
Same.
इनसाइड.
I have got no money for this podcast as well. Though I'm from an influencer family, we don't do anything for free.
तो एज एन इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट एज एन इंडस्ट्री वेटरन हो गई है.
Oh my gosh.
इंडस्ट्री वेटरन हमने ये किया है. सो अगर आपके कुछ सवाल हैं कुछ इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड कुछ ऐसा जो आप शिखा से पूछना भी चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट जरूर करना सो दैट वी विल बी एबल टू आंसर दैट. एंड इफ यू वांट टू मीट हर the influencer, the OG influencer, she will be at the Asia Edufit Summit on 7th of September at Radisson Blu. नीचे नंबर आ रहा है. कॉल करके अपना टिकट बुक कर लो फॉर द कॉन्फ्रेंस.
See you guys there.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.